afternoon, boys and girls. How are you this afternoon? Great. So, today in our chemistry class, we will be looking at an interesting topic today. Yes, an interesting topic. Today, we are going to look at periodic table. What are we going to look at? Yes, do you know what is a periodic table or what a periodic table look like? Samantha, is a table with rows and column? Yeah, it's a table. It has rows and column. Anybody else with any idea? Jason, you're not sure? Okay, well, I am going to show you a chart of what a periodic table looks like. Here, I have a chart of what the periodic table looks like. What do you notice about this periodic table? Yes, Anita, it has letters, capital and comma letters. Okay, yes, it has capital and comma letters. What else? It has numbers. Okay, very interesting. So let me put this here. So this is what our periodic table looks like. And our periodic table has elements. All these letters, I see the row and the column that is highlighted in different colors. They are called elements. What are they called? Elements. Good. So basically, a periodic table is a chart that shows all the chemical evidence. What it shows? Good. So this chart is showing all the chemical elements. Very good. Elements. Also, each element has a name, a symbol, and numbers. Each element has name, numbers, and symbols. And we call those numbers atomic. What do we call it? Atomic. Good. And we could find common elements in our daily life. Do you know that? Yes, we could find common elements in our daily life. For example, oxygen. Oxygen, yes, is a common element. And on this chart, the symbol for oxygen would be O. What would be the symbol? And then we have water, which is H2O. What is water? H2O. Good. And it is a, yes, it's a chemical element. Very good, Roy. It's a chemical element. And today we are also going to look at some few examples of of the periodic table. For example, we just named some oxygen, we have hydrogen, the symbol for hydrogen will be H. Then we have sodium, the symbol for sodium would be Na. So we could find all of that on this periodic table. And the numbers, you will see numbers at the bottom of it is called the atomic weight. What it is called? Very good. So we have the number, we have the name, we have, which the number is weight, sorry, the number is weight. We have the name, where it is hydrogen or oxygen. Then we have the symbol. The symbol is a big letter that you see here that you tell me you see the capital and the comma letter, that is the symbol, right? Example, some things that we could find in our daily life would be here. I have a aluminum file, and this aluminum file or file is aluminum, which is Al, and we could find that on the periodic table right here, Al. Then we have pencil. What we have? And the pencil could be the carbon, right? Then we have coin, and the coin would be the iron. What the coin would be? Good. So I have an activity for you to do. I have some flashcard with the elements and the symbol. What I want you to do, it's a puzzle. We are going to use this puzzle, and we are going to, we'll be having groups of two. I will be arranging you in groups of two, where we are going to arrange this puzzle with their name and their symbol. Example here. I am holding, what letter is this? C. And this C is what? The symbol or the name? It's the symbol. Now we have to look for the name for this symbol, which is C. Very good. So here I found it. I have carbon. So the symbol is C. The element will be carbon. We are going to place the puzzle together. So we have the symbol and we have the name. So I'm going to place you guys in groups of two, and you are going to match it, and I'm going to come around. And then the other table, so we're going to have group A and group B, and the other table will have a worksheet paper where they will be answering questions. They will be matching the elements and the symbol, right? Very good. So you all did an excellent job. So everybody now understand the periodic table, how to match the symbol and the name. Yes, Troy. So everybody could identify the symbol and the name of each element, right? And for homework, I would like you to write down some of the common elements you could find in your home. You are going to write the name for me and also the element. So we are go today class we had identified the elements on the periodic table. We know the names and we also know the symbol for the names, right? Very good. Did you guys enjoy today class? Everybody understand now what is periodic table? So in the next class, we are going to look at the weight, which is the number at the bottom of the name, right?